Morning children, welcome to our science session. In that last session we have to learn about that first answer in application book. In application book we have to learn about the first worksheet number 1 and one word answer you have to finish, and second worksheet first answer, second answer, fourth answer finish. Now look at the board, we have to learn about the fourth question and answer. Eyes are the most important sense organs. Why? Why the eyes are the most important organs? Then eyes are the most important as because it helps us to detect the things. Detect the where the things near or far. Yes, it helps us. Which help us? Eyes are help us to where the things near and far. And it helps us to know the colors, and we can see all around in the world. Then the eyes are the most important organs. One more time you can see. Eyes are the most important organ. Important as because it helps us to detect where things near or far. It helps us to know the colors. We can see all around in the world. These are the eyes are the most important sense organ, and why eyes are the most important as because it helps us to the where the things near or far, and it helps us to know the things, know the colors. We can see all around the world. Second, fifth question. Give two examples of pleasant sound. Give two examples of pleasant sound. The pleasant sounds. One, sound of chirping birds in the morning. The birds in the morning. Pleasant sounds. Two examples. First one, the sounds chirping of birds in the morning. Chirping ante voice చేస్తుండే మార్నింగ్ మనం లేచిన వెంటనే మనకు సౌండ్స్ వినబడుతుంటాయి చూడు అది. Second one, sounds produced from different musical instruments. Different musical instruments like guitar, flute, violin, veena, tabla, like that. Different types of musical instruments are there now. Then the sounds produced from the different musical instruments. Third one, sounds of waterfalls. When the water flow down to up to down, that water is called waterfalls. When the water flow down in the sounds are very pleasant. What is that? Give two examples of pleasant sound. The pleasant sounds are that sound of chirping of birds in the morning, sounds produced from the different musical instruments, sounds of waterfall. And the third one is that the sixth one. Sixth question is there. I am not wrote here in your application book, page number 4. Page number 4, question is there. Different between pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Different between pleasant and unpleasant sounds. What is the different? We have to know here. Your board is not sufficient. I wrote only pleasant sound, and next I will drop and I will write the unpleasant sounds. Any sound that appears pleasing to our ears. Any sounds to appear that pleasing to our ears, and make us happy and relaxed is called a pleasant sound. That sound is called a pleasant sound. What is that? Any sound that appears pleasing to our ears and make us happy and relaxed is called a pleasant sound. See one more time. Third question. Eyes are the most important sense organs, and why? The eyes are the most important as because it helps us to detect where the things are near or far. It helps us to know the colors, and we can see all around the world. Next, give two examples of pleasant sound. The pleasant sounds of chirping of of birds in the morning. Second, sounds produced from the different musical instruments. Third one, sounds of waterfalls. And sixth question, between difference between the pleasant and unpleasant sounds. That is, any sound that appears pleasing to our ears and make us too happy and relaxed is called a pleasant sound. Yes, in that pleasant sounds we know that. Next, any sounds that thrill to your ears, to our ears and makes us unhappy and tensed, it is called unpleasant sounds. What is that? Any sounds that is thrill to our ears and makes us unhappy and tensed is called unpleasant sounds. Pleasant sounds means what is that? A sounds by the appearance pleasing to our ears makes us happy and relaxed. It is called pleasant sounds. That any sounds that is thrill to our ears and makes us unhappy to tense to our ears, that is called unpleasant sounds. What is the difference of pleasant and unpleasant? Which sounds are makes us tense? That sounds are unpleasant. Which sounds are we have to listen the music. We have to listen the musical instruments, music, songs, devotional songs like that. We can feel happy and relaxed. That is called pleasant. These are the difference between pleasant and unpleasant. Next, the seventh question is, how can we take care of ears? List in 4 ways. How can we take care of our ears? We can look at the board. When we have to take care of our ears means we can dry our ears. What is that? Dry ears well after taking bath. Well after taking bath. After taking a bath we have to wet our use cotton cloth or towel. You can use clean our ears. Next, do not use sharp and pointed things or objects. Do not put in ears to sharp and pointed objects to our ears. Third one, take care while swimming. Yes, this is the most important. Why? Because we have to go into swimming. We have to cover our ears with the cap. Because that water will chemicalize. No, that water will goes into our ears. That is, earache will happen. Then we have to take care of our ears while we are going to swimming. We have to cover with our ears cap. Next, do not use castor oil to ears. Castor oil we can't put in our ears. What are the list of 4 ways we take care of ears? Dry ears well after taking bath. Second one, do not use sharp and pointed objects to our ears. Take care while swimming. Do not use castor oil to our ears. These are the 4 ways we have to protect our ears. Next one, that 8th question, different between inhalation and exhalation. What is the difference between? The process of breathing in air through the nose is called inhalation. While we are taking air into our nose through the windpipe, go into the excretory system, that is called inhalation. Which the process of breathing out air, which air we are giving, bad air we are giving outside, that air is called exhalation. That which air we are taking inside, that air is called inhalation. Which air we are giving outside through our nose, giving out air is called exhalation. These are the between of inhalation and exhalation. Next we have to go 9th question. Next, 9th question, how can we take care of our nose? In list 2 ways. Yes, we can take care of our nose by these lists. Always keep our nose clean. We have to keep our nose clean always. And never pick your nose. Never pick your nose. And use a tissue or clean cloth. Next, never insert any objects in nose. Why? Because it is harmful to our nose. When we have to use the things to inside keep the nose, it is harmful to us. we have to never pick our nose. We can use a tissue or a clean cloth. And never, what is that? We have to keep our nose clean. Next one. Why does a baby drink only milk? Because the baby has no teeth. This is the reason of a baby drink milk. Why? Because the baby has no teeth. Then the reason of that, the baby will drink only milk. Next, differentiative between permanent and teeth and deciduous teeth. These deciduous teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. A full set of teeth grows by age of 3. The first set of teeth known as milk are temporary or deciduous teeth. And after milk teeth fall one by one, new set of teeth grows into replace the fallen milk teeth. After coming new set of teeth that known as permanent teeth. That teeth are known as permanent teeth. This is the difference between milk teeth or temporary teeth or permanent teeth. Milk teeth after age of 3 will come, and after that it is one by one fallen down, and next in that place new tooth will come. That total it comes up by age of 21. Full set of teeth will come to your mouth, and that full set of permanent teeth we have 32 teeth in our mouth. One set is 16, one set is 16 teeth are there. These are the difference between permanent and temporary teeth. These are that. Our up to 11th questions we have to finish from that worksheet. Page number, application book 1.2, worksheet 1.2, page number 3. Application 1.2, page number 3 lo 1.2 worksheet lo we have to complete this. Up to which question to? 5th question to 11th questions we have to finish. Children, you can buy the textbook. This is our textbook. You should buy. Afterwards, you can write the answers with the textbook. You can, after writing the question answers, you take photo and put in WhatsApp group. Okay, na children? Compulsory all members buy the textbooks. It is 1 week only. It is here only. Afterwards, it is going to return.